The Really Simple Systems marketing app includes a mailing list tool to create sophisticated segments of your CRM contact database. From the main menu, click Lists to open. The summary table will display any lists already created, including the default newsletter list when you first get started. You can create static lists that include all your contacts or a selected group that you can save, reuse and edit as you wish. You can also create dynamic lists where you set a criteria for the segment that will automatically update with any changes to your CRM contacts at the time of mailing. For example, if a new customer is added. Let's start by creating a static list. To create a new list, click Add and give your list a name, for example, Customers since 1st of January. Select Static as the list type, then Save. Then click Add to add your contacts. The next screen is where you select the criteria for your list. If you want to add all your contacts to the list, simply click Add Contacts at the top of the page. To filter your contacts into groups, use the available fields displayed on the left to set your segmentation. Simply drag and drop the field name to the Selected Fields panel on the right. To create a list of customers created since the 1st of January, first select the account type. Then in the criteria options, set the value to is equal to and customer. Next, selecting the field account created date, set the criteria options to is greater than or equal to and select the date from the date picker. The preview screen below shows how many contacts match that criteria and displays the first few records. Click Add Contacts to add those contacts to your list. If you wish, you can continue adding and removing contacts to the list in the same way. Once you have completed your list, click Back to List and this will display all the contacts you have saved to your list. You can delete individual contacts at this stage by clicking the checkbox on the left-hand side and then Delete. Now let's create a dynamic list. Add a new list and give your list a name, then set the list type to Dynamic. In this example, I'll create a list of all my customers and prospects in the USA. On the next screen, click Set Criteria. Dynamic lists are set up in much the same way as static lists, but the criteria is only applied at the point when you mail your campaign, matching all contacts that meet that specification at that time. In this example, I'll select the account type and set the values to is one of, customer and prospect. Then add the account address country is equal to United States of America. Once you've finished, click Save Criteria, then Back to List. Unlike the static list, you will not see a list of contacts at this point. With your list created, you are now ready to add one to your campaign. In the Campaign Wizard, go to List and use the drop-down fields to select either static or dynamic, and then find your list name. With your list added, the system will display a summary of your criteria. If you wish, you can still edit your list at this stage or create a new list. That's it. For more help, don't forget to access the help drawers in your CRM and click through to our Customer Support Hub for further resources.